lover. And
another vlog. I definitely have been neglecting picking up the camera, but like honestly there really wasn't nothing for me to like vlog, like what, me just sitting down watching Netflix or whatever, you know what I mean? But all that's gonna change today. Today me and my little family, there's my boyfriend and my boyfriend's son. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi YouTube.
hey guys.
Say hi YouTube.
Hey YouTube.
You want to tell them your name?
No.
Why not?
No.
Tell them your name so they can say hi to you in the comments. Tell them your name.
Hey guys. Do you know my name? My name is Samari.
Yes.
And my best friend is my son. I got a hoverboard.
Oh, you got a hoverboard. So yeah, guys. We all got dressed up. I'll insert pictures after whatever. We look so cute, all coordinated, you know. We have on Vans with Ralph Lauren, you know, we look real nice. So we just decided to like take a little day out as a little family or whatever, and we're gonna go to Kingston. I guess we're gonna go to the zoo because like that's like the only kid friendly family, and that's like, what am I trying to say? Like the zoo, I feel like it's really like kid friendly and family friendly, you know. And it would be nice to take pictures, look at the animals, and just something to do other than staying in the house. You have something you want to say?
And the zoo is dangerous because there's some dangerous animals.
There's danger animals, yes, but they will be locked up, so they won't get us. So,
And
yeah.
there's a monkey too.
Oh, monkeys. Yeah, guys. So we're on our way to Kingston. My grandmother is actually in Linstead right now selling some stuff, and I want to go and stop and say hi to her and see how she's doing, but Babes doesn't want to go. Why don't you want to go? Tell the people why you don't want to go.
Because it's getting late.
It's getting... B, I not even 12 o'clock yet. What time is it? You guys, it's not... It's 11:19. Could I leave at 12 o'clock? Go to Linstead, check up on my grandmother, see what she's doing and stuff, and see if she's going with things, you know what I mean?
And then we go to the zoo and have some fun.
Yeah. So Pete, can we go? Alright. Guys, whatever I ask for, I have to get. Right, B?
Huh?
Whatever I ask for, I have to get.
Why do you think you have to?
Because I'm your baby.
Yeah, well, that don't mean to.
That's so
Guys.
funny, guys.
Whatever I say goes, alright? Whatever I say goes. And you laughing like it's funny. Anyways, guys, so we're going to Lindsay now to go check out my grandmother and see how her style is going or whatever, and see if she...
You still know me?
Alright, guys, so we just reached Linstead. We called my grandmother to see which part I market she there, and yeah, so she told Babes to buy her a patty. So ain't got an juicy beef, we go buy her a patty and a back string so we can carry go gear. I didn't go in there because I didn't want to put on a mask and like risk messing up my makeup or whatever. But we not in parking lot, right, guys? And it's like so much
Cars.
cars and stuff. So like over there, so people park, right? And then you have people would park like right before them, and we're one of them too. And I'm just saying, like, I'm just saying, like, whole people do that. And no, sorry, I got it. No, wallet. Dear. Anyways, so I was just saying, like, I don't know how people can like park like this. Suppose you want to come over, one next car block you in. So like, what y'all gonna do? I don't know. Me not run the nearest there. Next thing you know, some people head mad and then try like lick your car if you come out or whatever. But it's supposed to soon come, and they would just go check in on her and that. Yeah. Outside hot, from my come to Jamaica, I have not encountered any like cool breeze in the car. I straight AC me born, I swear. Sam, leave the AC alone, please. I said, guys, this little boy gives so much talking, so much, and he don't listen to me. He feel like send me on my size. Sam, why don't you listen to me?
Because I'm hungry.
You're hungry now?
Yeah.
And you just eat one big thing of cup soup and so Oreo this morning, and you're still hungry?
Yeah.
No man. What you want to eat?
Patty.
So if we never go buy a patty for granny, you wouldn't know say you want patty?
You want patty?
Alright, so I reached my grandmother's stall. I see she have 2-piece, fabulosa, soap, clinical mayonnaise, cloth, crops.
Something, anything.
It looks like B, looks like you say crocs when you want.
Sell out.
So granny, you broke your ducks yet?
Sell out.
You broke your ducks, so.
Granny sell off me at a Granny alone. Granny, how much is it?
So you not no more shampoo and conditioner left?
No, I'm going. Granny, how much we can get?
You want crocs.
Thank you. You know, he let somebody be there, no?
You said 1 for 2.5?
A little bit there.
And you spent.
Less than the money.
Alright guys, so we're here. Be really see crocs and like it. Let me see them. These. Our size.
But Granny,
A man eat. They can't fit you, a man eat. Who? Oh, so it's a woman 10. So he was looking at the crocs for his mom. Guys, I'm hot. People want something to drink.
We're not coming later. Yeah?
Shit, here is something.
I hear money me have been on the money.
Who wants something? Guys, I'm thirsty and it's hot.
I thought you were giving 300.
Come on, leave them.
He said, what else you have, man?
No, I'm not buying up more.
137. Realize.
Alright, good.
Guys, so Sammy says he's hungry, but I didn't want to like get us like I didn't want to get like food now because we want to go to the zoo and then we get like one nice little lunch at town or whatever. So we're gonna just get like one little snack, like one little biscuit and one chips or something or something for drink.
Yeah, guys, but we're just getting started.
So yeah, we're there about walk now, and Babe's gone in a store, a supermarket, and gone buy some little snacks. So yeah.
And Kayla is my stepmother, guys.
I'm your stepmother?
Yeah.
What? Guys? May I have step with me? I don't know, it just seemed like so weird to me, like, you know, like I have like a lot of younger cousins and like, you know, I'm so familiar with like smaller children, you know, and kids or whatever. But if you have somebody like I call me mommy or stepmom or whatever, it just oh yeah, leave it alone, Sam.
Hey.
You can't mash up your car, you know? Anyway, so so guys, like I was saying, it's like so weird to like have somebody like call me like stepmom or mommy, like it. I don't know if I like. I guess I just have to like get used to it. I remember too young still, like 22. I'm like, you know what I mean? I don't know. Am I like over exaggerating or making it something that it's not? But like I don't know. It just feels a little weird. You know what I mean?
And you still know who
you know.
am I? This is my stepmother. And my father's in the store and he's just getting some food.
Him to step mommy or mommy me to that, you know. I'd beer that in the pan.
Somebody tapping this. Be quiet.
Oh, guys, look, people are getting married. Oh, wait, hold on there. Wait. Look, people are getting married. Slow down on me. So I can focus. Oh, look at that. They're getting married. How sweet. Taking their photos. This is like a really so far the Hope Gardens look very nice, like flowers and stuff. So I can see why people will choose to like take pictures here. You know, the scenery is very beautiful. But yeah, no, we're looking for the entrance to the zoo now. You gotta ask them man over there, so if I the right way to the zoo we are go or no? B, I don't want to talk to no man. Sir, you white man and you're Jamaican. Next thing you know, they go.
This way to the zoo? To the zoo?
In the zoo, you say we're down there, so.
Okay, thanks. So they're not a sign.
I don't know. I see no say Jamaica. We don't call Jamaica no day. We don't know. I'm professional. They're not really good with like details and stuff. Okay, parking for Hope Zoo visitors only. All right, so Zoo Kingston, right? That's all right. You should have people line up for you, like, you know. Hope Zoo, we're ready.
Can I ride the Hope Zoo?
Yes, but there's no parking. Where we can park? I'm not go park way back down there and walk come down. You must be crazy. Unless we want my $200. Said we. Alright guys, so we just made it into the zoo. Admission for the three of us was $4,000, $1,500 for adults, and $1,000 for kids. We just saw one parrot, but you know, I don't know nothing exciting about that. But here we see flamingos. And I first me ever see one flamingo before in person. They're nice, pink, and babes I said like, oh, their neck long and they're maga. Look on them, B, look. You see how in jumping? Jesus.
When they jump in the water?
Guys, Hope Garden, I said make sure you have to wear your mask inside the zoo. It's too hard to wear mask out the door. We can't bother, you know. Can't bother at all. This is the petting zoo. Are we allowed to go in? I mean, we're not petting them, we just a look. But I want a sheep.
Please, put on your mask.
Why? It's hot. We can't something there. If they tell me if I put the on, I'm put the on. I'm too hot right now. Baby, me out the door. What am I do with my ass? Cha. Guys, I told babes to hold my bag. You see? So them are sheep. These are where my Uggs come from. You know, B? You know me pretty Uggs them? My Uggs them? At them come from sheep.
Sheep, man.
Yeah. How are those birds? And goat. And chicken. Nothing. Not really something there. The bird ain't can make noise, you see? That's a tink. Do you think I wear something like this? Yes. Look when I go talking. Oh, no, rummy. Trying to go look at the lions now or whatever. So we're on our way now, and I think we just passed one. Oh, that hungry hunt. Babes, I gotta say if we are gonna stop. No, I don't want no food right here. We are gonna go up on the roadside and get one cheap box food. But B, me not gonna eat, and we all not eating together.
Why not do me? I'm not hungry.
Yeah, I'm not hungry, yeah. If anything, I just want some water.
So you're not put on your mask?
Put on the mask for what? I'm out the door, B.
Yes, yeah, people ain't put on the sign, sir. Wear a mask inside.
I'm in a business. And my hand, I gotta get tired with this. Turn. See, guys, just gorgeous. Just beautiful. Guys, what leap am I gonna panic on now? What leap? If my auntie did ever die here, God knows should I go away with the whole of them, you know? Me nah ask Christ. My auntie love mango like, I don't know if it's a... Sam, you have to be careful. You want to dirty up your clothes? Alright then. Don't walk in the grass. Steady right there. Walking. What? An ostrich! Whoa! Them are gonna drop. If they drop me, I'm gonna sue them. So just 2 ostriches now. I want to look a baby over there, so. Look on the ostrich them. Look.
Daddy.
B, you know, say, they can't run, you know? They can't run. Guys, look. A camel. Camels, I should say. Me never see a camel before. I'm gonna come to Jamaica and see them. Babe say him out ugly and cranny. That true, B? Look how man, no. It would have feel like they have mouth like horse. And they can't spit. B, they can't spit. Spit. And I forgot what they say. If they, what is it? Something about 1 hump and 2 humps. And they carry their water in their hump, I believe. Yeah, something like that. Should they come from desert or whatever? They store their water there. Right? Something like that, guys, I think.
Yeah, because when the dry grass where they might eat.
They used to the desert, like Egypt and them place there.
Kayla, come on, I want cool animals to see.
What you want to see? You want to see lions and zebras, right? Or lion, you want to see? All right, we'll soon reach the lion.
Well, lion there,
Yes, sir?
What kind of bird that?
You say, what that ugly sitting here? Me, I tell them say a turkey, and when you have me for Thanksgiving. Me no eat turkey, because I don't like it. But B, when you come out foreign and we have Thanksgiving, I that people near
But me
me.
not going to celebrate Thanksgiving because I'm an American.
But B, you have to get accustomed to American tradition if you're going to be living there. Those are green iguanas.
I don't see nobody.
But me not like turkey because it's too dry. We have Jamaica, but I know this is Burmese python. B, instead of looking. Jesus Christ. That's the anaconda? No, Burmese python. Whoa. It looks like an anaconda. Are you a anaconda? You hear me? I am a anaconda. So it's a Burmese python. Look at him. More I see his head. But B, you see he's scaling. Where? In my scale though. He's scaling. I shed his skin. But it look like anaconda.
Kayla, what?
You see people. B, you see my little glass.
Why?
Because suppose you look at glass.
You don't want to see move.
No, you don't do that. I suppose the glass broke. A gun, with a gun. I like the zoo. What? What's over here? Oh, that a yellow snake, but him not yellow. And then we have some snake out there. Where? Oh, right here. Being a liquor glass and don't be. Me just said. Jesus Christ. This the boy at ears that you see. Let me see where Sam get it from. Sam not listen just like in daddy. Back. She a walk. Me I step back. Come in the wood. Oh, she's crawling. Look at her. I said crawling. She's walking. She want her man. Please don't come near. That's good enough. Stay there, sir. Look at the line. So here's the crocodile. It looks like I just one. Well, they just have one animal, so.
Lovely, man.
I know, but more I see him, I ain't full, like crawl up. Look. Why open up him mouth? So we just left the zoo. You know, the zoo was okay for the most part. I wish they just had like more animals, or whatever, and stuff. B, you nearly lick a woman in. Anywho, yeah. So the zoo is nice. Then just have like one animals, and it cage them. And a wally bird they have. I don't know how Jamaica have so much bird. They should try to get more animals. But we still enjoy ourselves. Did you have fun at the zoo, Sam?
Yes, Kayla, we just did about to say what we lived.
Wait, Sam, did you enjoy the zoo?
Yeah, and my bag is cool. It's cool, and you know where the vloggers.
Alright, anyways, guys. So we was looking for something to eat. Babes was just like driving or whatever. He was just driving, and I was like, oh, what should we eat? Want Chinese or whatever? But then Sam did say something like you want like hot dog or whatever. So I was like, and I didn't want like a shop where we just buy or have to eat outside or whatever. But didn't want like go in and sit down somewhere. So I was like, oh, remember I said TGI Fridays there at Jamaica. I never got TGI Fridays a foreign or whatever. And as me said, oh, maybe put it in my phone, we pass it or whatever. So I guess we're going to TGI Fridays now. And hopefully they have something there we can eat. And yeah, I don't know why my camera looks so blurry right now. I have to go figure it out.
That's much you did me.
No, and there's no reason. It's like my lens or something. I don't know. Alright guys, so we're at TGI Fridays and I'm here trying to find something to order. And I don't know what I'm ordering as yet, but I know for my drink, I want a strawberry mango lemonade. Yeah, so here's my drink, guys. I'm gonna go try it. What? Oh, yeah, go try. Alright, try it. Ooh, for one nicer, my one. Alright, guys.
I like my one better.
That is not the best. Mine's definitely the best.
Let me try BM's.
Your one I best?
Let me try BM's one.
Punch that punch on your
B.
Should be like pineapple. Nice. Guys, so here's my food. Here's beef food. But from beef food come it look big. You don't like it? It look nice. I see exact thing it is, you know?
Yeah, but the aisle.
The aisle? Oh. And then Sam just gets a regular chicken strips and fries. I can't wait to try this. This looks great. So I'll let you guys know how it tastes when I'm done. Guys, and alright guys, so we just had our lunch at TGI Fridays, you know. The food was good. Be able to stop eating off my food because my food tasted better or whatever. But yeah, and the alright. Anyways, so you know the food was nice. I enjoyed my experience there. It was nice. Customer service was good. The bill, guess what guys, so the bill come to about nearly, let's just say $14,000, right? But $13,811 to be exact, right? So you know we paid them or whatever. I know me, true, I used to like serve on customer service and like wait tables and bus tables. Tipping is very, very, very important. So I always try to leave 20%. When the service no good, me at least try to leave something. So when I do like my little calculations or whatever, right, it would come out to be 20%. I money would that be like roughly $2,800. Somebody want to give girl $2,800, right? B, I said, no, you can't give her so much or whatever and something there. I only want to left the money. B, I said, no, you can't something there. So we end up giving her $1,000. Guys, tell me what you think, cause like she could have get the $2,800, right? But B, I was like, oh, you can't left so much or whatever. You want, you know, I don't know. Probably true in my Jamaican and you know understand the whole like tipping process or whatever, and true. Me there foreign and me know how stuff work and people live off a tip. Although a girl probably got pay $1,000 still. Right, B? And B? And B?
Yeah.
You not telling how you make me, you make me get $1,000 more. You didn't want
But the girl didn't deserve more than $1,000.
Why you say that? Why you say that, B? Look at the lens, not
Because
me.
$1,000 was enough, B. $1,000 was enough.
Instead $1,000 was enough. So I guess whatever BF said goes. So no, we're about to head home now. And yeah, right now more so sleep. But I sleep.
Sleep alone.
I sleep alone once. Oh god. But yes guys, I had a very fun day with my little family. I went to the zoo, see some animals, you know, walked around, took some pictures, and I'll insert some of the pictures here. And then we had a nice lunch. So now we're gonna enjoy our nice little car ride home. The vibes just freaking broke. We are driving and one freaking man on a damn bicycle come and like lick off it. How would this called rear view mirror and then cloak. and then it come back in, but no, like it light on it cracks. I'm a vex, so you know Jamaican people never freaking one year, so no we talk a little pan to fix backy man people or whatever. You can't bother, you know. Can't bother. Talk about taking contact or whatever, but if we keep make contact, you're not gonna answer your phone to give you the money or whatever. You have to cough up something. Right now,
brother, I Linstead me live in a brother. I Linstead me live in a.
Babes, come on. I'm going hard. Babes upset, no? What if you just gone?
Nah, just go and be there. Who pay for me, brother?
Sure. You can't but us.
That I don't know why I tell them on you. You see, I do YouTube video and them things there, so I don't have nowhere for hide. Half what time I come from.
Generally, y'all tell me, so when me can get money to fix back the car? That more no, brother.
Well, no, man, I have a mechanic bridging if them can replace it for you.
I know mechanical work that, brother. Body works that, brother. And me don't want nobody bitch up nothing for the car, brother.
I have a bitch up nothing. I have to replace by the glass. You're saying just the glass crack. I have to replace by the glass.
The light a show. Put on, let me see if the light a show.
The light a show. I just crack the glass crack, you know.
So when you can fix it, that more.
You know, me have to contact my bridging them and get to them and make them know if them can replace it or not. I just the glass, I just the shade. Shade. There's a shade that I want to replace. I'm glad that it never worse than that. That come between the two cars. I just tell one taxi man up there so say yo, him can't there in the middle of the road. Him have to choose one side. I just across up there so both.
Brother, me not there in the middle of the road.
No, you me at
side, brother.
I come here come out of one car on the side there. So they come here come out of the car. I saw the uncle broke.
You have ID on you?
Eh, me not have the ID for me.
Brother,
I learn as I
just
open
low,
me
me
learn.
can't just low so brother. When you give me one number and then I call the number and then you answer your phone, brother.
Two
What me
number,
brother?
two chip me have on my phone. Take the number and call it.
No.
Or me give him my number and give me your number.
He's still freaking driving in the middle of the road. Like, what?
Bucket.